Walter the hippopotamus yawned in the morning sun. He waddled to the water and blinked. It was muddy and brown. Walter frowned. He liked clean, clear water to splash in. He walked slowly around the pond, wondering what to do. He saw leaves floating on the water's edge and gently brushed them aside. Walter noticed sticks clogging a little stream and cleared them with his nose. The water gurgled happily, flowing faster into the pond. He called gently to the ducks, asking them not to stir the bottom. Walter pushed a log back into place that had rolled into the stream. A breeze picked up, brushing through the trees and rippling the surface. The sun climbed higher, shining brighter on the water. Walter scooped out more leaves with his big strong paws. He hummed softly as he worked, enjoying the rhythm. The water shimmered more and more with every little fix. Fish returned to the shallows, darting with joy. Dragonflies danced above the surface, their wings shining. Walter looked around and saw how much the pond had changed. He waded in slowly and felt the cool, clean water swirl around. He lay back, floating, the sky above blue and wide. The ducks swam past gently, nodding thanks. Walter smiled, soft and proud of what he'd done. He climbed out and sat beneath a shady tree. The breeze sang softly through the reeds. Walter closed his eyes, the pond gently sparkling beside him.